Dimensions of a Great Dad. Episode 7, Emotional. The feeling dad. Your emotions are not weakness, they are your superpower. When was the last time you saw your dad cry? For some of us, never. And for some of us, that silence, that emotional wall, that men do not cry culture is something we are still healing from today. This episode is an invitation to a new kind of fatherhood, one where emotional intelligence is the ultimate masculine strength. Part 1. The lie that emotions make you weak. Somewhere along the way, the world told men, hide what you feel, stay hard, stay silent, and millions of fathers obeyed, and millions of children grew up never knowing how their father truly felt about them. Emotional suppression does not make a man stronger. It makes him unavailable to his own family. Emotional intelligence is not weakness. It is the most advanced form of human strength. Part 2. What your children need to hear from you, Dad. 3 things, not once a year, regularly. Number 1, I love you. Out loud, unprompted. Number 2, I am proud of you. Not just for results, for who they are. Number 3, I am sorry when you get it wrong. And every dad gets it wrong sometimes. Those 3 sentences can heal wounds, build confidence, and forge a bond that nothing in the world can break. Part 3. The emotionally available dad changes everything. Children with emotionally available fathers have higher self-esteem, better relationships, greater resilience, and a deeper sense of identity. An emotionally present dad does not just raise a child. He shapes a whole human being. Feel your feelings, name them, share them, cry when something moves you, laugh fully when something delights you. Let your children see that vulnerability is courage, not failure. To the dad who said, I love you first, to the dad who apologized to his child and meant it, to the dad who cried at the graduation, the wedding, the birth, and did not look away. This Father's Day, let yourself be celebrated. Let yourself be seen. Let yourself be loved. Because the world is better, because you showed up. All of you. Happy Father's Day, feeling dad. You are exactly what your family needs.